Hi friends, welcome back to Smile Nursing Tutorial. Today we are going to speak about the embryology and fetal development. In this, now we are going to see the terminology. First, what is amnion? It is a smooth, slippery, glistening, membranous sac which surrounds and protects the embryo. What is chorion? It is a major branching umbilical vessels travel on the surface of the placenta. Next, what is decidua? It is the uterine endometrium during the pregnancy. Next, what is embryo? It is refers to the growth from the second to the 8th week of its life. What is implantation? It is the process of the embryo attaching itself to the uterine wall or uterine lining. What is placenta? Placenta is a spongy structure attached to the uterus. Next, what is oogenesis? It is the process of formation of mature ovum in ovary. What is spermatogenesis? It is the process of formation of spermatozoa in testes. Now let us see about human fertilization. Actually, everybody knows about the fertilization. Now we'll see what is fertilization. It is the process where in the ovum and the spermatozoa unite at the ampullary portion of the fallopian tube, the usual site of fertilization. The mature ovum can fertilized. A mature ovum can be fertilized within 24 to 48 hours after being released. The functional life of the spermatozoa is only 48 to 72 hours. The best time of the fertilization occur in 72 hours after sexual intercourse. The fertilized ovum is reached through the peristaltic movements of the fallopian tube and the tube's cilia. The sperm can reach the cervix is within 90 seconds and it can reach the outer fallopian tube within 5 minutes. After penetration, both the ovum and the spermatozoon combine to form a zygote. Here we can see 3 factors important for fertilization. One is maturation of both the sperm and the ovum. Next, the ability of the sperm to reach the ovum. And the final is the ability of the sperm to penetrate the cell membrane and achieve fertilization. Next, coming to the implantation. The zygote reaches the uterus 3 to 4 days. Next, the mitotic cell division can occur after 24 hours. As the zygote reaches the uterus, it already has 16 to 50 cells division and it's now called a morula. After floating morula, it becomes a blastocyst. The blastocyst attaches into the endometrium. This is called as implantation, which occurs 8 to 10 days after fertilization. On the day of implantation, the woman may experience a small amount of vaginal spotting as the capillaries by the implanting blastocyst. As implantation occurs, the zygote now becomes an embryo. Thank you for watching this video. Next, we will meet with another video.